Hey guys, it's me Levitate back with another video, and in this video we are going to be talking about permissions. Permissions can be set so that players can only execute commands if they have a certain permission, such as heal. We can set a permission so that only people with op or people that have a certain permission can execute the command heal. So let's get started. This video is going to be pretty short as there's not much to permissions, but yeah. So first of all, let's go to our heal command. Let me just disconnect from here real quick so we don't have that bothering us. So yeah, go to the heal command, and then we're going to add if the player, as in the player that sends the command right here, dot has permission. Let's set this to tutorial plugin. This is going to be the name of your plugin. And then dot heal. Can open a bracket, close the bracket. Else we're going to return true. Alright, so it'll send if the person has this permission, then else it'll send a message to them as well. Wait, before returning, it'll send a message to that player. Okay, that's send message. Let's put a little color code, and let's put C, which is red, light red, or you can put 4 for actual normal red. So yeah, EC, you don't have permission to execute this command. So yeah, now let's build our artifact. Let's go back to the server. Set it today so that we don't have that skeleton bothering us. So yeah, let's take damage here too. So now we can do heal perfectly, but if we de-op ourselves, now we can't do heal. Or no, we still can. To want to go to plugin.yml and create a new section called permissions, and here we're gonna add our permissions. So tutorial plugin.heal. And then default op, so op people have it by default. Description gives players permission to execute /heal. The heal command. There we go. So it'll give the players permission to execute the heal command. So let's build and see if it works now. Or there. So heal, de-op, levitating. Yeah, you don't have permission to execute this command. I don't know why it's saying /heal afterwards. Let's see. I think set this to that and see if it's that. I don't think it is that, but yeah, we'll solve it later if anything. Alright, do a confirm. Because I wasn't even supposed to set that to false, so it's supposed to be true all along. Yeah, it was that. So return true. You don't have permission to execute this command. And yeah. That's about it for this video. It's kind of like a smaller tutorial because there's not much to it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and join my Discord server, which is going to be in the description. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace.